Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X. Under the hood we have a 4.0 liter V6 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in a very nice reddish brown color. You do have the bug deflector up front there with your Nissan badging. You also have your lights there and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our Hankook brand tires with our 16-inch rims. They look great. You got your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming around the back we got our box. Looks great. You do have the Frontier badging as well as the Pro-4X and the Nissan. You do also have your backup camera right there. Open it up just like this. Lots and lots of room in here. It is box liner as well, so there's no getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock all the doors. You got the lock, that one opens up the back, and you do have the remote start right there, plus the other key right there. Well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You got your handle, got another handle here, and some storage down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable, very nice. They are electric as well, so backward and forward, tilt there. And then over here we do have the control over the mirrors, and we do also have our downhill assist, and you have your cargo lamp there. And then right up here we do have the controls over lights. So our off, auto, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights and our in-cabin lights, as well as our high beams. Let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. All right, in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have right there how many kilometers we have, 17,000. That is not very many at all. You do also have your trip right there, and we can switch that around to our trip A and B. Then you have your distance till empty, your kilometers. You also have your liters per 100 kilometers, the time, and then back to your trip. Now, you can also control your volume right here with your Bluetooth options and your mode and whatnot. Then you got your horn in the center and cruise control options right over here. And then in the center you do have a touchscreen display. So you have your CD player up here, your Sirius XM, FM, and AM. You got your CD, your aux cord, your navigation, and your map, so you can see we are in Rec Place. You got your camera options right here, volume up and down with the power, your apps, phone options, skip, back, and your tune-in browser. And then when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we do have the climate control, so you got the power up and down right here with the off. You do also have your temperature control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. AC, where it's going to blow out of, your defrost and your circulation. And then down here you do have the control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel high and low. Then you got your seat warmers, you have your traction control, your park sensors, your lock there, and then you also have your gear shift here, some storage, your parking brake, and your cup holders. You also got your armrest, doubles as a storage container, lots of room in there. And then your locking glove box right over here. You also got the top layer. And then up top you do have the control over your sunroof, as well as you do have your sunglass holder. And there's our sunroof, looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you got your handle, you got the control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. Leather seats, same material as the front. You can fold this guy down. You got your armrest there. You can also fold this up just by pulling this guy and lifting up right here, just like that. Then you got some room under there, and you can do the same with the other side. And there's our 4-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.